Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter Hunt. This is Radhika. In this video, we will do MCQs from SPL Class 7 Chapter 1 on equality. We have completed question and answers from this chapter in the previous video. Do watch that video and then attempt MCQs given in this session. This will help you revise the chapter, check your learning and score good marks. So let's get started. The first one. Which of the following is a common form of inequality found in India? So first one says color of skin, healthy versus sick, caste form, or the cricket player versus the football player. So this is very clear. Caste form is the most common form on which the inequality is practiced in our country. Second one, when did the Government of India passed the Disabilities Act? Now, Disabilities Act, there was no question from this Disabilities Act in our previous video, but an MCQ or you can say a fill in the blank can be asked because there is a picture based question in your NCERT exercise of this chapter which tells us that the Government of India passed the Disabilities Act in 1995. So yes, इसको just learn this कि जो Government of India थी उसने Disabilities Act pass किया था in the year 1995. Now coming to the third one, thinking of oneself and other persons as worthy of respect is referred as equality, dignity, commonness or freedom. So we have studied this in the earlier video that self-respect को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Dignity. So every person has a right of being respected and we call that as dignity. Now next, who said these words? Nothing is more disgraceful for a brave man than to live life devoid of self-respect. Om Prakash Valmiki, Om Prakash Chautala, B.R. Ambedkar और M.K. Gandhi. So we know this कि Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, जिनका पूरा नाम क्या है? भीमराव रामजी Ambedkar. He said these words. We all know he was a scholar, a social reformer who dedicated his life to eradicate social inequality in India. And there is one more quote of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar given in your NCERT. उसको भी पूछा जा सकता है कि who said these words that self-respect is the most vital factor in life. Without it, man is a cipher. Cipher का मतलब a person without power, जो कि he is not important and but he is used by others for their purpose. So ये सारी चीज़ें किसने बोली थी? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Now the next one, universal adult franchise means every adult has a right to vote irrespective of his or her A. educational background, B. economic background, C. religion and fourth all of the above. So I always tell you जब भी MCQs आते हैं do read all the MCQs. इसमें आपको पता है universal adult franchise में ये तीनों आएंगे. So we will click या टिक करेंगे कौन से आंसर को? All the above. The basis for inequality is या are gender, economic status, religion या all of the above. इसमें भी inequality is practiced on all these bases. On the basis of gender जैसे male या female, economic status कि आप wealthy ये हैं या poor हैं, religion के basis पे, caste के basis पे. So हमारा कौन सा option होगा इसमें? All of the above. Now, who is the father of Indian Constitution? यह भी हमने पढ़ा है कि Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of our Indian Constitution. Like he is the chief architect, we can say, of the Indian Constitution. Now next, Kanta borrowed money from her employer because she was not well, she has to attend a marriage, she has to pay the rent of the house in which she lives or her daughter was not well. So ये आपका एक example दिया हुआ है in your NCERT. उसमें आप देखना कि कांता is a domestic help जो घर में काम करती है. So she borrowed her money from her employer because उसकी जो daughter थी she was not well और उसको डॉक्टर पे दिखाना था. The most advantaged community of people are rich businessmen, domestic workers, scheduled caste और scheduled tribes. तो इसमें आपको पता है एडवांटेज मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा बेनिफिट किस कम्युनिटी को हमारे सोसाइटी में मिलता है? सो दैट कम्स द रिच बिजनेसमैन. नाउ अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन्स आर डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड अगेंस्ट इन अफ्रीका, साउथ अमेरिका, द USA और साउथ अफ्रीका. तो हमने ये पढ़ा था जो सिविल राइट्स मूवमेंट भी आया था. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? द USA. अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन्स वर डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड अगेंस्ट इन द USA. When was the Civil Right Acts passed? Civil Right Acts passed हुआ था 1964 में. Who was Rosa Parks? और रोज़ा पार्क कौन थी? वही एक अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन वुमेन जिसने डिनाई किया था कि शी विल नॉट ऑफर अ सीट टू द वाइट व्हेन शी सैट इन द बस, एंड दैट इज वाई, तो उसी वजह से ही ये सिविल राइट्स जो एक्ट मूवमेंट सारा था ये स्टार्ट हुआ था. सो हु वाज रोज़ा पार्क? रोज़ा पार्क वाज एन अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन वुमेन. When was the midday meal scheme started? Midday meal scheme हमने पढ़ा था. It was started in the year 2001. What is Juten about? Juten is an autobiography. और किसके बारे में किसने डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है? उसमें क्या डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है? रिच गर्ल, दलित बॉय, अपर कास्ट बॉय और नन ऑफ दीज. येस, वी ऑल नो उसमें किसने? दलित बॉय. तो आपने ये पढ़ा है कि उसमें सारा ऑटोबायोग्राफी उन्होंने खुद ही लिखा है, ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि ने. द बेसिस ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी आर gender, economic status, religion, all of the above. ये हमने करा है all of the above. Then on what basis were Ansaris treated unequally? Ansaris का भी एग्जाम्पल वी हैव डन क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो रिगार्डिंग दिस. इसका हमने पता था कि वो एक जो ही हैड टू बाई ही हैड टू टेक ऑन रेंट अ हाउस, तो उनके साथ किस बेसिस पे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन या करा गया था? इट वाज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन. ही वाज नॉट ऑफर्ड हाउस. वो बहुत दिनों से कहीं ढूंढ रहे थे. सो प्रॉपर्टी डीलर ने क्या बोला था? चेंज योर सरनेम, एंड देन ही सेड इट अकाउंट्स टू आवर डिग्निटी, एंड ही रिफ्यूज्ड इट. सो इसमें क्या आएगा? नॉट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ जेंडर, नॉट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वेल्थ, बट येस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ religion he was treated unequally. What are the ways in which the government has tried to implement the equality that guaranteed in the constitution? So we have done a answer on this also in the previous video, that government ने क्या क्या किया है equality लाने के लिए. Government has made laws, government has passed many schemes जैसे कि midday meal scheme. So both A and B, none of these, या both A and B, you all know कि सिर्फ अगर आप सिर्फ through laws करेंगे then also it will be wrong, because government has done both these ways. It has implemented laws also and started many government schemes also to ensure that equality is practiced in our country. So the answer comes as both A and B. Which article in Indian Constitution defines equality and prohibits any kind of social discrimination? Article 10, Article 12, Article 15 and Article 21. So we have earlier started this कि Article 15 prohibits any kind of discrimination on the basis of any grounds, on basis of social discrimination किसी भी तरह का. ये deny करता है किस कौन से constitution के कौन से article में? Article 15. So with this we finish the first chapter of SPL class 7 on equality. Do study well and score good marks. I'll see you soon in my next session. Take care. Bye bye.